Hello guys, welcome to my channel DieCast. Today I have the number 3 video of the series 7 card on my video, and today I will show you the 7M2 cards that I have in my collection. I don't have too much of this brand in my collection, but just the most important for me. And we're gonna start with this one that remind me my uncle Tilo because of the color of the car. It's not the same car that he had when I was a kid, but yeah, it's something like this. It was like a Chevy, I don't know, was a 55, but this one remind me him, and that's why I added to my collection. And this casting is very nice. Let me open it. Alright guys, I have here the beautiful 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. Check this beautiful color. I didn't have an open trunk, but it's hard to open it. Yeah, but it's something like this my uncle had. Yeah, the same color of car. I think it's not the same model, I'm not sure. Yeah, but check the details in the back. So beautiful. Let me put it a little bit bigger for you guys. You see how beautiful it is interior in white. The paint. Some details here in the back. This one is a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. Yeah. So classic. So beautiful. Alright, let's do the next one. The next one that I will show you is another 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. So beautiful, in black, nice details. Let's go to open the package. Here is the card. Marble mystery oil, top cylinder lubrication. The same are in the back. So beautiful. And now is the beautiful car. Check the details in the front. Very nice. The name of the car here in the front and the detail in the back. So beautiful casting, is one of my favorite. Yeah, look like a so beautiful both together here. And one thing that I like from M2 is that they do a lot of different rims in every model. This one is one of my favorite castings. So beautiful. The next casting is the 1971 Dodge Charger RT 440. Look how beautiful is this one. Check the art in the card. Pretty nice in red. Let's go to open this one. Here is the decoration. The art with a lot of information here about the Charger RT. This car was designed strictly for adults. There is almost the same thing in the back. It's from the series Auto Drivers. Very cool. And here is the beautiful casting. Beautiful paint in red. Nice decoration in the top of the fender. Nice rims. I love it. have a black roof. Yeah, the paint here is different. It's like a little rough. Yeah, very nice detail here in the front. Said RD. Very nice detail. Nice rims, like I said. I love it. It's a beautiful car. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you like this one or which one you like. Alright, let's do the next one. And the next one that I will show you is another 1971 Dodge Charger. This one is from Coca-Cola series. Look, this beautiful casting. The package here is totally different to the others, and you can see this beautiful case where the casting comes. And look the details, decorations on the top with the number 221. Oh, nice. Roberto Clemente. Yeah. And the 21 over here. I will keep it here inside. Yeah, the case is nice. Yeah. I don't need to open it. Let me zoom it to check the details. It's a charger here on the side with the 21, and I think this one has an open doors. Yeah. See something here in the back. Let me see. Is the real thing. Yeah. And Dodge over there. Is the real thing here, and is something else here, but I'm not able to see it. But never mind, it's a very nice casting. Okay, the number 5 that I will show you is a 1968 1/2 Mercury Cougar Art Code. Let me zoom out a little bit. This Mercury Cougar is a special one because this one comes with different rims that you will be able to change it. See, it's a very nice series. Let me get the car. Here is a beautiful boy in olive green. Very nice. This is another casting that I like. That's why I have it in my collection. Zoom it. The Mercury Cougar decoration on the door. A black cover here and a black fender in the front. Very nice. You can see the 1968 tag and the nice rims. Okay, here is different tires with a screwdriver. Very nice. I will post a picture with the different tires, and go ahead and check my Instagram channel. Very nice. Okay guys, now I will show you a set with 2 cars that complete the 7 that are in my video today. And this one is the 1985 Chevrolet Irox C Chevrolet Camaro, one in purple and another one in light yellow with a beautiful rims. Let's go to open it and show you guys. Here's the package in the back, not too much. I didn't show you the others, but nothing relevant. Okay, here is this set that is a little bit heavy. It's pretty nice. It's the first kind of set that I have in my collection, and I'm glad to have it. Yeah, this thing is in metal, the base is plastic, and the car is plastic, but I think the base is in metal. You can see the yellow one, the purple one. Very nice. Let me zoom. The decoration on the door say Irox C. And I'm figuring out because this rim here look like the one here. Something like that, but it's, yeah, not too much. But are cool too. Yes. Show you the back of the cars. It's a very nice Chevy Camaro Irox C. Have the Chevy logo on the back and the LS X twin turbo logo here. Like I said, this thing is pretty heavy. It's very nice. I love it. The reason that I don't have too much M2 cars is because they are not doing every time a 1/64 scale. Yeah, I'm very picky with the scale of the cars. Yeah, and they don't follow a rule, I don't know. Yeah, but these ones are pretty nice, and that's why I have it in my collection. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Those are the 7 cars of my video number 3. Those are from the M2 brand, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.